Hello,
Hello,
welcome to the Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
Rena Rouge.
Rena Rouge from the cartoon Ladybug.
And don't forget to like this video. It will really help us.
To do this, we'll need a drawing pad, a pencil, an eraser, and some colored pencils or markers.
Yes,
Shall we begin?
yes.
Let's go. First, we'll draw the eyes. Draw eyes that look like a fox's eyes. And do the same for the second eye.
Mom, can you give me the eraser? I want to fix my drawing.
Now, let's draw her pupils. Which way will she be looking, straight or to the side?
Straight.
Let's make it like this. Now, I'll add the eyelids. And then, we'll draw the eyebrows. Now, let's draw her little nose. After that, we'll draw her lips. Well done! Now, let's draw her face. The key is to draw two lines at the same distance from her eyes. Then, draw her chin and connect these lines. Now, let's draw her mask. First, draw the bottom part. Draw it symmetrically. Now, here in the center, draw two lines.
Great.
Yes, now let's outline her hair. And then, the shape of her head. On the sides, she'll have these strands. Now, let's draw her ears. draw the second ear in the same way. Well done, it looks really nice. Now, let's draw her neck. And now, let's draw her body. Draw a triangle that looks like a slice of pizza. Here will be her waist. Now, draw the floor, so we can see how to draw her legs. From the waist, draw 2 lines like this. And from these lines, draw her legs. Then, draw her feet. And then, let's draw her legs nicely shaped. Make her slender and beautiful. Now, let's draw her arms. First, draw her shoulders. And now, we can draw her arms. Here's one arm. And let's draw the other arm. With this arm, she'll be holding her flute. Now, let's draw the fingers. Well done! Now, we need to draw the lines on the flute. Now, we can draw her beautiful magical costume. Erase this line so it won't bother us. Now, we're drawing the white part of her outfit. Look carefully and follow along. And where the knees are, we'll draw her black boots. Well done! Now, let's draw her gloves.
Mom, we forgot to draw something.
What?
To draw her hairstyle and the tail of her magical outfit.
Let's draw it. First, let's draw her hairstyle. Friends, if you didn't get it right on the first try, watch this video again, and you'll definitely succeed. Now, let's finish the tail for her costume. Is it done?
Yes, I really like it.
Great! Now, put the pencil aside and take a black marker to outline our drawing.
All done outlining my drawing.
Alright, now let's switch to an eraser to remove any unnecessary lines. When you've erased everything you don't need, let's take some markers to color our drawing.
Thank you. So, shall we show how it turned out?
Let's do it.